welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some towel items that I got from a brand called Pact. If you haven't heard of Pact before, I almost smashed it. Pact is basically an organic company that carries bedding, towels, clothing, and that sort of thing. They have relationships with fair trade, partnering factories. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just have discovered Pact this year and I'm super into their items, and I actually just got their quilt. I'll link it down below, but their quilt for the bed, and it's so comfortable because it's starting to get a little bit chilly. I live in New Hampshire, so fall time has set in, the nights are chilly, and I wanted to kind of switch over our bedding because I've done a lot of non-toxic, eco-friendly swaps over the past like 10 years, but especially in terms of household goods and home goods, whatever it is I purchase now or replace items from things that I have had for years. I just want to make sure that they're healthy, they're sustainable, there's no VOCs, they're not going to harm or leach anything into my loved ones' bodies or my body. Okay, I'm rambling on. Okay, so I've purchased some clothing for my husband. I purchased clothing for my little one. They're very comfortable and the colors are super cute. These are actually some of his little sockies. My baby's sockies, obviously not my husband's. They're soft, they're really cute. So Pact also does this thing where you can do carbon offset for shipping, and it's only like 20 something cents more, and then they just make sure they do it as eco-friendly as possible, and then they do a give back box, shipping donations of clothing, and then also thoughtful packaging to minimize the life cycle of their carbon footprint. So now that that's over, let's get into it. My husband gave me his box knife. Yeah. It's like Christmas, but like also Halloween. All right. Their clothing is so cute too. I just ordered some new clothing as well. I love the color of these. I just ordered some new clothing as well, and I was thinking I can do like kind of a clothing haul on that. If you're interested, let me know. Leave a comment, and I'll make it more of a priority to do it. So it says, made with organic cotton, no toxic chemicals, 91% less water used than conventional cotton. So I don't know if you know, if you want to dive into it, conventional cotton, but organic cotton, yay, Pact! I just got some of their leggings. I think I got a bra. I don't know, I got a lot of stuff. I got underwear. This bra is very cute. I want it, but they didn't have it in my size. Anyway. So it looks like they have a 15% off code and 25% off your next sheet set purchase. I already used that and I got a couple pairs. And then 20% off of, like refer a friend. You get $20, your friend gets 20% off. Eee! Okay. So it says made in India, 100% organic cotton. And they're also GOTS certified. So Global Organic Textile Standards. You want GOTS cotton. Let's see, how are you doing? Yee! Oh, these are so cute. And also they don't smell like chemicals. They smell like packaging right now, like cardboard. Obviously I'm gonna wash them, but they're actually so comfy, and the stitching is really nice. I don't know if you can see. here we are. And this is the hand towel. It's big. It's like I don't use this towel for my baby if I run out of the other towels. So this is their hand towel, but take a look at these, which I have right now. These are just cotton. They're 100% cotton, but nothing special. And then the sizing difference is actually quite substantial. So yeah, you're paying for this, but it's like, I don't know, a quarter the size bigger. And at the bottom, so you're paying obviously for more fabric, and they are a little bit expensive, but when you think about towels, you put them on your bare skin and you use them like through and through. I don't think people tend to normally buy a ton of towels, like just constantly buying towels, unless you're using them for, I'm just like diving in. I'm like, oh, it's like a buffet. Okay, let's open the next. Unless you're using them for like cleaning or something, and then you're like, or your dogs eat and you want to swap them out. What's this? Oops, did I buy? I either bought or they sent me another pair. Okay, well, I guess we have two pairs. So I just bought these for my little guy. I'm gonna open them so you can take a peek. They have a great return policy, although I haven't returned anything. I've heard of other people who have. So here is this little, like, my husband calls them a baseball tee. They have a legitimate name. If you know what that name is, comment down below. He calls them baseball tees because he wore them when he played baseball in college. So it says, and the tag is right in here, there isn't like a plastic tag. That one is plastic, two, usually they're itchy or they get in the way. They just write them inside. So it says machine wash cold, tumble dry, made in India, Earth's favorite clothing, 100% organic cotton. And this is 18 to 24 months. My little guy just turned 1, but he's a bit, he's like, just looks like, he actually measured to be the size of like a 17-month-old at his appointment last week. So these are bigger. It's not that they run smaller. He's just big for his size, so for his age. Super cute. Okay, and then a sweater, which I'll show you. I actually just washed the ones that I purchased from him, but they are up and away somewhere, so surprise! And if you don't have little ones, I'm sorry, but their clothing is just made so well. It's not like the clothing for the little kids is chintzy or anything like that. So, and it's thick and it's durable. There's some stretch to it. It's soft, has like a little hook. And also, usually for little kids' clothing, you can write like, this belongs to, which is adorable. Soft inside. It's actually really soft inside. I want sweatpants like this. Oh, here we are. How does it look on me? Okay, moving on. I have to look into that because I don't know if they double sent me or if I purchased 2 of them. They also sent more coupon codes. Interesting. Okay. What is this? I don't know how much stuff I bought. Oh, this is the same thing, although it's in a different package. To be careful with the gels, with the doggies around, and the babe. Note to self, pick that up. Oh, here are the hand towels. The hand towels look like average size. They also have a little tag on them. Everything you want to tumble dry low, wash in cold water. But I love this color. Take a look. It's like a burnt orange. Very fall vibes. And let's check out their towels. Ooh. These look thick and big. And here we are. It's a standard towel. Standard size. They're very comfortable though. They have this kind of waffle diamond like pattern to them. And the stitching is great too. Love, love, love. All right, well, that should be it. Although I'll open this because Lord knows what I brought. Maybe we'll get some clothing in here too. I feel like super Freddy Krueger with this. Oh, still the same. So, just to recap, we have the face cloth. And it comes with a pack of 4 of them. The towel. And the hand cloth. The hand towel, which is actually pretty big. Alright, that's it. Well, thanks for visiting my channel, and if these are sort of things that you're interested in, eco-friendly, non-toxic, home, living, beauty, wellness, then please consider liking and subscribing, and until next time.